Okay guys, I'm back. Here it is. This is our holiday meal. It's Easter. Some people celebrate it, some people don't. I look at it as Passover. So we look at it for like Jesus or whatever the case may be. Third day he rose. And to each his own. But yes, this is the macaroni cheese, candy yam. We have over here some what is this name? Cherry cobbler. We have some dressing, the chicken, the baked chicken in NUWAVE oven. We have some ham. We have some what's this? Cabbage with some salt and pork in it. And this is what we're gonna eat today. So you guys get in your kitchen and cook up your food and let you guys enjoy it.
Oh, we got potato salad too.
Oh yeah, we got potato salad too. So, so anyway, yeah, I ran out of room on the table. So you guys enjoy yourself. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen.